Well, hello, sir. Come back for lunch. Coming back for lunch, anyways. Hey, hey. I say hi. How are you? And how are you? How are you guys doing? Oh, yes. You guys are doing good. You doing good, Ted? Hey, I gotta fix the fence, man. Yeah, I know you know what I'm talking about. Because the bridge is moved back here. Unfortunately, the bridge is attached to the tree with that wire. The reasoning behind that is that that was the only way to keep the donkeys from going down the river. They stopped at the electric fence, which was attached to the bridge. So I gotta shut that off. What's your brother just barking at, man? Who knows? Disconnect that. And find my toolkit. Ratchet. Because I will need the ratchet to take the fence apart. Keys in my pocket. Coming up? Of course you are. Hey, you're not peeing in the girl's hay, are you? You're not gonna like that. That's why they don't like you, man. That's why you guys always snore at him. Stay back. I have a ratchet. Apparently, a ratchet is not an effective tool to rid yourself of donkeys. How are you doing? How are you doing? You good girl? How about you, Belle? You gonna be a good girl too? Huh? Just a ratchet. Hey, Pent. He's busy chowing on the hay. He's not coming around. Okay, sorry about that, man. Got sidetracked, buddy. I'm not going there. Going to fix the fence. Or at the very least, maybe not fix it, just disconnect it. You see the ice that's up here on the embankment? Wow. Ice got up here. So this is about 4 feet up from the river right now. So you can see the ice is, oh, the ice is way up here. That's impressive. Yeah, when you see this river going, boy, look at that. Chunk of ice way the heck up here. Wish I'd known this was happening. I would have filmed this. Because we got this is a 4-foot piece of ice. Here's my boot. To give you an idea of just how big that thing is. Giant piece of ice cream. Way out of the way. Over there. Careful, Ted. Keep full again. Do not rescue any. You can see the ice dam behind the bridge. It's way up here on the embankment. Wowzers. It's way up there. This must have been something. Alright, so hopefully I can, looks like I won't need the ratchet after all. I thought I had this bolted up here with one of those metal. Alright, well, that sucks because that's broke and that's broke. So I'm just gonna kind of have to look at swing in the breeze until I replace this. I didn't bring my tools down to take care of these things. I don't know if you can see that or not. Might be better if I focused. So this thing here, which is the little rope keeper, see if they snap. This is where a couple here, and a couple down here. I used to pull the electric fence back here, and then attach down there, and that's what hooked it to the bridge. So there used to be 2 points of connection on the bridge. Focus up again here. One lower one, one upper one. The lower one obviously snapped, leaving us with this mess. Alright. On the right side, I should be able to take this rope, kind of throw it across, and then rescue it when it's time to do the rope rescuing. More Ted went on me. Oh, Ted's his boogie. Yeah. Yeah, that was a tremendous throw. Oh well. It's over there. Hopefully some spotted owl doesn't grab it and try and eat it like spaghetti or something. So, lots of ice dams. That's about it. You know you're in trouble when you got ice that's up at the 4-foot mark. And that's just not good. Nice.